80% of Americans with a credit card are making one specific mistake every single month. It is not missing a payment. It is something most people believe is responsible.
Your credit utilization ratio is responsible for 30% of your FICO score. One number, 30% of everything. Most people pay their bill on time and assume the credit card company reports a zero balance. They do not. They report your balance on the statement closing date, not the payment due date.
Your card reports your balance to the credit bureaus on your statement closing date, not your due date. If you carry even a small balance on that day, that is what gets reported. Mark had a 760 credit score a year ago. He paid every bill on time. He had no debt. His score dropped 40 points in 1 month. He had no idea why.
His limit was $2,000. His balance on statement closing date was $1,840. His reported utilization, 92%.
Find your statement closing date. Circle it on your calendar. Set a reminder 5 days earlier. Pay your balance below 10% of your limit before that date, not after, before.
Mark found his statement closing date. It was the 14th of each month. He started paying down his balance by the 9th. Every month, without exception.
3 things determine your credit score outcome. Number 1, always pay on time. Number 2, keep utilization below 10% on the statement closing date. Number 3, do not close old accounts. Average age of accounts is 15% of your score. 2 dates on your statement. The closing date, when the balance is reported to the bureaus. The due date, when you must pay to avoid a late fee. Most people only track the due date. That is the entire problem.
6 months later, Mark's score was 812. Same income, same cards, same spending. One change, when he paid his balance.
Your credit score determines the interest rate on your mortgage, your car loan, your insurance in some states. A 100-point difference can cost or save you $40,000 over a 30-year mortgage. One calendar reminder is worth $40,000.
Here's the closing date. I never noticed it.
Me neither. Let's set a reminder.
Okay, I'll do it now.
Perfect. That corrects 2 accounts.
Log into your credit card account right now. Find the section labeled Statement Closing Date. Write it down. Set the reminder.
Subscribe to Wealth Code. Next video, why the market going down is the best thing that can happen to you if you are under 50.
When the market drops, most people panic. They check their accounts multiple times a day, they feel sick, and they make decisions that cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here is why they are reacting to exactly the wrong information.
Mark looked at his retirement account on a Tuesday in October. It was down 18%.
I want to move everything to cash.
When you are in the accumulation phase, still working, still adding to your retirement accounts, a market drop is a discount. Every dollar you invest during a downturn buys more shares than it would have bought at the peak.
2 investors, identical income, identical contributions, 20 years. One sold during market drops. The other held and kept buying. The difference at year 20, $430,000.
The question that determines everything is, when do you need this money? If the answer is more than 10 years from now, a market drop is not a crisis, it is a sale. The crisis is panic selling at the bottom and missing the recovery.